178,000 trees all over, mostly America, certainly Vermont. Every single year, it brings $3 million to Vermont farmers. It represents a significant portion of our agricultural economy. So we know we grow the best trees. I'm honored to be here to cut a tree as a symbol of what we hope Vermonters and people across the country will do, which is buy a Vermont tree for the best Christmas trees grown. Add anything?
I think you captured it.
We have Representative Klein here.
Captured it.
He was up here trimming trees to try to get a vote out of Tammy. Squeeze in there.
Yeah, I get a perfect angle of his head right here.
You don't want to leave a stump for someone to stumble over.
No, you're getting the wrong end.
Just the right end?
You're doing great.
Lucky I'm a country boy.
All right, I got the tree so it doesn't fall on you.
Clean cut.
Nicely done.
Nice.
Victory. Hey, that's a beautiful tree. Well, let's bring the folks that grew it down here so we can get a shot. Stand, flip it down. You got to knock a few of these branches off. Yeah. Otherwise, they just get in the way, and you know the people will be like, "Why can't we give it up a little?" Look at it. There we go. That's pretty good. Give it a little bit of light to it. That's great. Most governors wouldn't dare do this for fear that something would backfire. Flip that one over.
I think they ought to get.
That's a beautiful tree, huh?
We ought to get a picture of the mud
Don't you
stains
think?
that you have on it.
Yeah, maybe like mud. All right.
If you want to borrow my tongue, if you get too
How we
close,
doing?
I'll tell you what.
Look at that.
Down and dirty.
Looking good.
All right. Ready to rock.
Beautiful.
Come on, where do we haul it?
That's a short.
Here, Amy, you want to carry this off? Sure. You're a good man. Okay.
When did you do this?
Oh, look, this is where they hid the saw.
I told you I brought one.
Good. Hey, we gotta get it so that tip doesn't down. That's good. Look, come on. That tree is going to the